This is the holographic film from Yamation. So they sent me these sheets. I put it through my printer. I made a dinosaur design for our son, and he's currently talking right now, naming all his dinosaurs. And so here's what it looks like once it's pressed. Let me just peel it real quick. It was a little hard to peel. Hard as in just a little more tough. But once you get it, it's good. So you can't really tell that it's holographic in the video, but in person you can definitely tell that it's holographic. It has that cool effect to it. So I'm just doing a stretch test, and so far so good. I washed the shirt already, washed and dried, and nothing happened. It's still perfect.